Hi, this is Project 5 Navigation. I have this town that is meant to look like the set of a kids' TV show. When you get closer to the center of the town, it will zoom in so that you are the same scale as the other characters. And then you can click around to the blue spheres, their waypoints, to teleport to each of the characters. And when you are close enough to the characters, they will face towards you and you can click on them and they will give you a piece of dialogue that lasts for 5 seconds before disappearing.